Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to post on Beehiiv in 2025, step by step. Whether you're brand new to the platform or already running a newsletter, by the end of this video, you'll know how to create, format, and publish your post like a pro. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to beehiiv.com. If you use it often, it's smart to bookmark the page for quick access later. Once you're on the homepage, click Login. You can sign in with your regular email and password or save time by using Sign in with Google. After logging in, you'll land on the Beehiiv dashboard. This is your main control center. Look for the Start Writing button. This is where the magic happens. Click it and you'll be taken to your editor page, your creative space to draft your newsletter. Now, start typing your content. You can use Beehiiv's formatting tools to make your post look polished. Add headers, bold text, images, or links. Keep your writing engaging and aligned with your brand's voice. Once your draft looks good, hit Next. Here, you'll choose your email audience. The group of subscribers who will receive your newsletter. Be intentional about who you're sending it to, depending on the content and tone of your message. Click Next again, and you'll be asked to add a subject line. This is crucial. It's the first thing your readers see in their inbox. Make it short, catchy, and relevant to your post. After that, you'll arrive at the web post settings screen. This is where you can customize how your newsletter will appear online. Adjust any display preferences or visibility settings here. Beehiiv makes it really intuitive, so don't stress if you're not super technical. Once that's done, click Review. Take a moment to check everything: your content, your audience, and your settings. If all looks perfect, hit Schedule. You can either publish your post immediately or schedule it for later. If you're scheduling, choose the exact date and time you want it to go live, ideally when your audience is most active. And that's it. Click Publish, and your newsletter is officially set to go out on Beehiiv. Your post will now reach your subscribers, clean, professional, and right on time. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.